February 7, 2026. We are now on day 38 of 365 days of our Abundant Life series. 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 9. Don't repay evil for evil. Don't retaliate with insults when people insult you. Instead, pay them back with a blessing. That is what God has called you to do, and He will bless you for it. Today's topic title, God says, I will bless you as you choose to bless others. Hang this word upon the wall of your soul. Blessed. When you are harshly and unfairly criticized, blessed. When you are overlooked and underappreciated, blessed. When you are intruded upon and insulted, blessed. You will never regret responding to others' cruelty in a way that seeks to bless them, but you will certainly regret responding in like cruelty. As you responded by seeking to bless rather than blame or belittle, it will become obvious that you belong to me and that I am at work in your life, strengthening you for facing the assaults of the world. I have called you to a life of giving and receiving blessing, and when you live in the world in this way, you will be rewarded. As you bless others, you will receive a blessing from me. As you bless the world, it will be both silenced and saved. For today's reflection, aminado ako na tinamaan ako sa for today's yung message niya ba, kasi ako yung tipo na kung babatuhin ako ng bato, huwag kang mag-expect na babatuhin kita ng tinapay, dahil babatuhin din talaga kita ng bato before ako tatakbo at magtago. So ganyan yung ugali ko ba, may pagkamaldita din kasi ako parang alam niyo, di ba, meron tayong kasabihan na ganyan, pag batuhin ka daw ng bato, batuhin mo ng tinapay. Ako yung ugali ko, ano ka, siniswerte, binato mo ako ng bato, tapos batuhin kita ng tinapay. So, ganyan yung ugali ko. But, later on, as we get older, and with all the experiences that I had in the past, na-realize ko din na not all battles should be won. There are times din talaga na you just have to step back, and not because natatakot ka, not because duwag ka, or parang aminado ka na sige, kayo na ang tama, ganyan. No, but it's because finding peace is much more expensive and precious, kaysa talagang i-prove mo sa mga tao na ay tama ako, na ay ganito na, para lang i-prove yung point mo. So may time na ganyan ba na pag binato ka ng bato, no need nang if you can't bato them with tinapay, umiwas ka na lang, ganyan. So parang ganyan na lang yung resolution ko ba, dahil aminado ako na parang mahirap sa akin ba na pagbatuhin ako ng bato, magantihan ko ng tinapay. And ayoko din maging parang ipokrito ba na babatot ng tinapay pero hindi siya totohanan. So I'd rather just umiwas na lang, and I'd rather protect my peace and magpakalayo-layo. So ganyan siya. But yeah, this is a good message na yun nga. This is one of the things na right now I'm still struggling, and alam mo yung point, alam mo yung time na alam mo na kung you hear, the light, yung alam mo na ano yung dapat na gawin, or this is God's want us to be, pero may time pa din ba na aminado ako na mahirap siya na sundin, and ayoko naman na magpaka-as if lang na ganyan nga, para lang sabihin, but no, para sa akin mas if I can't bless them, magpakalayo na lang ako and protect my peace muna, and when I'm totally ready, then yan, pwede na. But yes, aminado ako, this is something that I'm still struggling. But anyways, sabi dito, you will never regret responding to others' cruelty in a way that seeks to bless them. Hindi naman ako ganyan ka-cruel, na if someone is being cruel to me, I have to be really cruel to them as well. I just can't bless them, but yun nga, I just choose to be magpakalayo ba. So, but yeah, God really wants us to be, God wants us to, you know, doesn't want us to be cruel.